Fitdesk sent me these replacement screws. Can you guess which one is not the same as the other? It's indeed the one on the right. So, in summary, the longer ones will fit. It does actually fit into the base. However, it is still, actually the shank is a little bit narrow, such that once you try to cinch it in, once you try to tighten it, it actually does not take. And when it comes to this short one will not reach far enough into the female part. Okay, here's the demonstration. Okay, here's the lock nut as designed. Well, okay, just for kicks, I'm not even going to bother with the lock nut, and I'm just going to screw in this, one of the longer ones that Fitdesk sent. I'm screwing it in, screwing it in, screwing it in, and I'm screwing it in, screwing it in, screwing it in. So I think the shank is a little too narrow, and or I stripped it. And so let me just show you the shorter one. So with the designed, okay, let's go without the designed lock washer. And so I think I probably stripped this one because it also continues to turn too. So let's take a look at the screw to see what the condition is for it. It's used now, it's a given, but it's hard to determine even in live person whether it's stripped or not, and it doesn't look like it's still got lots of thread. So that's the case. So once again, I'll line them up. You can tell that this one's longer, this one's shorter, and it's just not working. This is the second try after these are the bolts that Fitdesk has sent me.